In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn live photo to regular photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. The easiest way to find all live photos in one place is tap right here to head over to Albums, and then just scroll down and get into Live Photos. That is auto-generated album which contains all the live photos from your camera roll. As you can see, I got 86 live photos here in that album. And then let's say I would like to convert that live photo to a regular photo. As you can see, now it is showing some animation here. However, in order to turn that off, we can tap right here where it says live and then live off. That will turn off live mode. For that particular photo, it is no longer showing any animation here when we switch to that photo. However, in any time, we are able to tap here again and enable live mode. If you want to convert live photo to a regular photo without being able to turn it back to live photo, you can easily do so. The easiest way to do that is just to take a screenshot of this page and then crop it. To make a screenshot, press at the same time volume up button and power button, just like that. That will take a screenshot and then we can easily crop it in that way. After that, to save that photo to your camera roll, tap at Done and then Save to Photos. That's how we can easily convert live photo to a regular one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.